Backhoe Group has acquired the Backhoe loader business in India and inaugurated the factory on the 1st of June 2017. These machines have been shaking the ground across the globe since 2003. It is now time for us to conquer newer horizons with Manito-make backhoe loaders.
Manito backhoe loader is a masterpiece of engineering that combines power with efficiency, strength with reliability, and safety with productivity. Successful track record of Manito is mainly due to its sound engineering process, resulting in production of state-of-the-art, world-class machines. What makes Manito backhoe loaders different is not just its diverse applications and ability to perform as a versatile workhorse, but also the promise to ensure high profitability and quick return on investments for our valued customers.
Backhoe loader. It is a construction equipment based out of tractor, also called tractor loader backhoe. Manito backhoe loaders come with various options of bucket, either standard or 7-in-1 bucket. Some people call it as a 4-in-1 bucket. Excavator end, either it can slide on the rear frame with a vertical stabilizer, which is called side shift, or it can be fixed at the middle with butterfly stabilizer, which is called a center mount. Manito backhoe loader consists of various options of engines, which is Kirloskar and Perkins engine. Both are globally proven design for the engines. Our machine comes with Carraro axle and Carraro transmission to deliver optimized power output in the toughest of terrain with a minimum maintenance. Loader arm is made of high strength steel with a bucket capacity of more than 1.2 cubic meter. It has a high lift capacity more than 3.5 ton. It also comprises of self-leveling arrangement, which helps to keep the bucket always parallel to the ground while lifting the load. All Manito backhoe loaders comes with tiltable steering arrangements. Cabin is well ergonomically designed with ROPS and FOPS compliance, having air conditioner as an option. Structures of Manito machine, that is chassis, boom, dipper and loader arm, they are all made of high strength steel. Excavator end, which is the most useful part of the machine, comes with many options of the bucket. The maximum capacity of bucket is 0.30 cubic meter. Boom lock. We can apply the boom lock sitting inside the cabin only through a lever. Manito backhoe loaders are built with smart and powerful hydraulic system. Its high performance dual delivery pump and unique unloader control hydraulics are engineered to optimize engine power, enhance fuel efficiency and reduce time. Strong slew cylinder can turn entire back end by 180 degrees on one side. Split plate and a common adapter in the hoses reduces the maintenance cost to a huge quantity.
Manito backhoe loader is designed to be a highly efficient and versatile machine with applications as diverse as roads, construction, power, mining, agriculture, excavation and many more. We in India are proud to be part of Manito family.
Manito backhoe loader is committed to offering the highest value to the customer. Manito, a name you can trust.